Hello guys, ipapasyal ko kayo sa villa kung saan kami, what do you call this one, nag-stay ng ilang araw. So, this is it. Ito ang pinaka-entrance niya. Actually, 3 villa sila. So, dito kami. Ito ang entrance niya. This is the entrance. So, on the right side, there is one room. Yeah, this is this room. Hindi ko na masyadong nakuhaan kasi naghahabol din kami ng oras. So, then, go to the swimming pool is in the middle. Okay. So, and sa kaliwa, sa left side naman is a KTV. So, this is the KTV. Right? See? Yeah. This is the KTV. Okay. And another one in the middle. And the left side, kitchen area. This is the swimming pool in the middle of the villa. So this is the one. And there is a sitting area. Okay. So this left side is the kitchen and dining area. This one. I'll show you. See how it is. This is the kitchen area and the dining area and the side. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. See you later. The next